everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Leo Arcayos. I am Limuel Dahan, and I will be discuss the stability information using various stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables used on board ships. On board ships, maintaining stability is crucial for safety and operational efficiency. Stability diagrams. Stability diagrams are graphical representation that helps assess a ship's stability to return to an upright position after being held by external forces. ZZ curves rating arm. These plots show the rating leave ZZ against the angle of heel. The maximum rating arm ZZ. The maximum rating arm is the highest point on the ZZ rating arm curve, representing the greatest stability of a ship to resist heeling and return to an upright position. Angle of maximum rating arm. The angle of maximum rating arm is heel angle at which the ship rating arm ZZ reaches its maximum value on the ZZ rating arm curve. Maximum range stability. The maximum range of stability is the angle range from 0 degree heel angle of ship stability, over which a ship has positive rating arm ZZ and can resist heeling forces. Next, trim tables. Trim tables assist in determining how loading or unloading cargo at specific location affects the vessel's trim, the difference in draft between the bow and stern. They provide corrections to draft, adjustments needed for forward and up when weights are added or removed of certain distance from the ship's center. Trim calculation helps predict changes in trim resulting from cargo operation, ensuring vessels maintains optimal longitudinal. And next, stress tables. Stress tables are vital for monitoring the structural integrity of a ship under various loading conditions. They provide information on still water bending moments is WBM, indicate the bending of the ship's hull due to static loads. Shear forces represent the internal forces that can cause parts of the ship to slide past each other. Permissible limits define a shape there holds for bending moments and shear forces to prevent structural damage. These tables help ensure that the distribution of cargo and ballast does not exceed the vessel's structural limits, preventing issues like hugging or